Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to import data with related entities. First, let's explain some terminologies. A related table refers to a table that contains information from another table. To achieve this, it uses a column type called foreign key. A related table stores IDs instead of textual values. This means that translation must be made in order for you to import them into STDM. For the purposes of this video, I will use the same sample data that I have used in the other video to explain.
On the STDM toolbar, I will go to the Import Data icon. Then I will browse for the source file with my sample data.
Once I locate it, I will click Open, then click Next. Choose the destination table by checking In Person and then Next. Here, you will need to align the rows in the source and destination table so that the columns match, e.g., gender in the source table and gender in the destination table should be in the same order. Use the up and down arrows on the left side and right side of the window to align the source and destination table respectively. What we intend to translate here is the address column because, as you can see, it contains Nairobi as an address. Now, using STDM's Administrative Unit Manager, we are able to translate this into an ID so that it is imported into the database. Otherwise, when you try to import Nairobi without translating it, you will get an error alert and your data will not be imported because there's a mismatch in the data type in the address of the source table, which is a text, and the residence area of the destination column, which is an integer. Select All, because we want to import all columns. Click on one column you want to translate, either on the source table or the destination table. Click on the plus at the bottom right corner of the window. On the drop-down, click on Related Table. A pop-up window named Related Table Translator Configuration will open. Notice that the table name and the column name are already selected. You will be required, therefore, to select the table that will be used as the source of the translation. This is the admin_spatial_unit_set table because it is where the Nairobi address is contained and I would like to translate it. Next is to select the output column. The output column refers to the column where the data will be translated to. So I will select ID to be used as an output because the person table uses the ID of the administrative units instead of the value. You will not see the ID in the person's record table because the value is shown for a display purpose, but in the database, the ID is stored. After selecting the output column, we now have to match the source table and the destination table column, which contain the values. So, in the source table, I will choose address because that is where the value is stored. And from the reference table, I will select name because it is one from the administrative unit that contains the word Nairobi. Click OK button to save the related table translator and click on the Finish button to complete the importation. In case you made a mistake and want to make changes, there is a pencil icon next to the plus sign called the Edit Value Translator. You can also remove the translation by pressing on the Delete button next to the pencil icon. To verify that your data has been imported, close the Import Data window and go to the Person Records table to see the records imported. Select Person on the drop-down to open the Person table. Notice the residence area column has been imported. That's all I have. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.